Okay, so I keep hearing skinwalkers or something. Like this isn't good. This isn't good. My dog Fluffy's dead, unfortunately. I'm sad about that. I might be getting a new dog from an animal shelter. If it's a white fluffy one with a deformity, I'll take it, even though it's ugly. I can't really see. It's pitch black on the camera, but I can see clearly right now. Just gotta listen closely. You might hear a wailing noise. What? I heard a noise. I heard a noise. I hope the camera got it. There's hair in my mouth. Yuck. Ugh. Dumb hair. There's a bunch of stars out. You probably can't see them through the camera, but there's a whole bunch of them out there. They're like everywhere. Oh, I hate this camera so bad. Oh! That was just a leaf. There's a big stick over there. Oh, I have a burp coming. Oh, it was a very tiny one. Excuse me. Ooh, I almost fell. Bro! What the fuck is... What is that? Is that a skull? No, it's just part of the ladder. Okay. Freaked out for no reason. Ooh. I am getting the chills from this. Look at all those stars. If you can see them, at least. There's a whole bunch. You can't focus on it because it's not. This camera is so bad. It's like, it's really bad. I'm zooming in continuously. Ooh, seizure time. Epilepsy warning. Epilepsy warning. What the? Do you hear that? food hair in my mouth. Whoa. Ooh. What is that thing? I'm wearing gloves right now, by the way. These are my new shoes. I'm getting a little tired. It's like, what? Like, oh! No, no! You guys heard that. You guys heard that. You definitely heard that. Oh my god.